It's time. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. We're gonna go ahead and put on the Pypes exhaust for my F150. I got Aaron here to help me. I'm gonna go into detail on how we're gonna install this exhaust. Let's get to it. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and get you some WD-40. Go ahead and spray the bolts. These bolts are pretty good, but some people might have a little bit more rusty bolts. You also want to spray out the hangers too, or you can unbolt them, it doesn't matter. Get your 13mm and go ahead and break these two bolts loose. That's why we went ahead and put WD-40 on it, so we can go ahead and break it loose. Now you want to get your 15mm and take this nut off. You don't have to take it completely off because it is just a clamp. You just loosen it. Get your 10mm. Go ahead and take these two bolts out. You might want to have somebody holding this as well. All right, we're going to bring it back towards you.
Oh, it just slid right on out. Yeah. All right, well that was easy.
No, just go. There we go. Good. Yep. All right. Alright, so what you want to do is go ahead and lay it out right next to the old exhaust, and this is how it's gonna lay out. You're gonna want to reuse this hanger. They supply you with new rubber, but you're gonna have to reuse this metal hook right here for this. And they also give you a new hanger to mount up right here. You also got your clamps and your hardware to bolt it up there. You will need to find two nuts to fit for your exhaust, because these are pressed in here or welded, so you can't get them out, and wouldn't hurt having washers with it as well. We're gonna go ahead and install this long piece right here that goes right behind the cat, and then we're going to install the second piping. We're gonna have to cut it down right here just to fit the muffler on, but it's just one cut. All right, so with the crew cab, with the 4 doors, we did have to cut off 8 inches, but that's essentially what it's gonna look like. So yeah, we had to cut off 8 inches for it to fit. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put that piping on, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the muffler on. We already got this side on, the tailpipe on. We did have to relocate the hanger. It was sitting over here. We moved it back some. So this is the whole setup right here. Everything is very loosely on because we still got to adjust everything. But yeah, just a simple exhaust is a lot better than the factory. So we put the exhaust on, but it's hitting the subframe. So what we got to do is we got to flip this around. Since this is curving up, we got to flip this around so it can curve down. That way this will come down so it can be straight instead of just angled, and everything will probably flow better. So let's flip this around and it should fit better. All right, now that we got this right where it needs to be, there's a little bit of spacing. We're gonna go ahead and put the tailpipe on. We went ahead and installed the hanger on here, tighten it down. So it's a little confusing because it's like 5 different spots where you could put it at. There's one up there. You're gonna put it in the lower one that's right underneath this green bolt right here. But let's go ahead and angle those tips up there. All right, YouTube, which one we should do? Should we do it at an angle, like how it is right here? Or should we do straight up and down? Well, straight up and down like that. I think we're gonna try it out like that just for a little bit, and whatever y'all comment down below, that's what we're gonna keep it at. All right, so we got it on now. Everything is all tightened up. We may have to upgrade the clamps in the near future, but everything on here is pretty good. Now let's see how it sounds. That exhaust sounds amazing. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and get you Pypes exhaust. Use code word creators to get free shipping. It's been about a week now since I had the exhaust on the truck, and it sounds so perfect to me. Everything about the exhaust is nice. It's loud when I want it to be loud. It is quiet when I want it to be quiet. It sounds so good just rolling down the road. Startup sounds amazing. It's literally the perfect exhaust. Pypes sent this exhaust out to me, and I really didn't know how it sounded. I heard one video and it sounds so good. Just take my word on it. Even if you don't have an F150, you can still just buy the muffler. You can just buy the Race Pro muffler. So it doesn't matter if you have a Mustang, which it does kind of sound like a Mustang now, but still sound like a truck. You can have a Camaro, a Chevy truck, a Tundra, a Corvette, whatever vehicle it is, you can buy that muffler and have that same tone. I drove it on the highway, no drone at all. I might have to get Pypes exhaust on my Mustang now. I'm working on a video of doing the before, after, in car, out of car. It'll be right here. If it's not right here, I'm still working on it. Bear with me. Thank you, Pypes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video, okay?